We're gonna be opening a drone.
Yeah, and a drone controller.
We're here with Liam and Liam's brother.
This is all clean and new.
We're gonna start off with the drone controller.
Just got it.
We're gonna start off with the drone controller.
Breaky.
Watch out, y'all.
It's almost.
And guys, don't worry, the battery acid is not gonna explode in our face. We took the batteries out. Oh wait, we have some damage. We have
some buttons coming up.
We have some buttons pushed in right now. A lot.
All right.
This is probably gonna be a little bit of a long video. Okay, we have more progress. A lot more progress.
Oh.
There's pieces flying. What's up? Everywhere.
Guys, look.
All
The
right.
middle part.
And this.
Let me look.
And like all this came off, guys. It's smashed in.
Oh, shoot, that almost flying out at me.
Yo, you know when you're just so mad about your drone, how it doesn't work, and then you're just like,
Dang!
Oh my.
Whoa, what is that?
What is it?
Oh, it's part. It's a button. Wait, guys, we found
It's
part
that
of
thing.
the
It's that
joystick.
thing.
But guys, look, we broke the joystick.
Yeah, look. That's right
look
here.
out. I'm gonna set it from the back.
Oh, shoot.
Whoa!
My camera's gonna break. There are tons of pieces. Look at all those pieces.
Guys, there's so many pieces here. Wait.
Show. Look at that, guys. Oh.
Whoa! That was a big piece.
Ooh, wait, let's take this part out.
Guys, look, there's a coding part kind of thing.
You mean a
That's just
computer
what I
chip?
call it. Yeah, computer chip. I just call it a coding part. Wow, guys, look at this progress we made.
Look
Just
at-
take
look
the
at-
ball out. Just
Look
take
how
the
cool
little
that is.
ball from the joystick out. Just push that thing at that little
Can I see?
guy out.
Wait.
Guys, there's so much here. There's everywhere. There's just pieces.
What happens?
Pieces and pieces on this map.
This drone, no. The drone we're gonna actually legit take apart.
Guys, there's wait, there's part of a computer chip. Gavin, there's part of a chip.
Watch out.
Okay, stop now. There's pieces of the computer chip everywhere. Guys, look, there's pieces of the chip everywhere. It's just pieces everywhere.
Come here.
Guys, this is literally Peace Kingdom. Look at this.
Let's
Look
try
how
to keep it on.
clean
the
this
road.
is.
No, try to keep it on there.
See, this is how when you clean your house and you kind of fail. This is what happens. Okay, wait, I can do something good now.
Ooh, whoa.
Whoa, the chips came out, guys.
In half. It's in half.
This is in half.
I'm glad Roy isn't here because he's afraid of electricity.
Guava Juice or Roy, watch him. He's amazing.
Ow, my hand.
What the heck?
onto my hand.
I found some of it. Not, where the heck did that go?
Oh, come on. Where'd it go?
Is this it? Where did it go? I think it's on the top of the car.
What do you mean you're gonna take this apart?
Okay.
Look
Guys,
with the screwdriver.
Wait, dude, record me doing this.
Look with the screwdriver.
What?
Guys, do not try this at home.
I already tried this with my mom's car.
With what?
My mom's car.
No, it's not on the roof of the car, guys.
I have some wires.
What?
I have wires.
Wait, what? Where's the actual drone controller, though?
Huh?
Like, where's the base of it?
Right here.
Guys, we have some sick... Guys, look at this.
There we go.
Amazing.
Stop. Give it to me.
Guys, look at this amazing computer
And then
chip.
we have this piece. It's not a computer
It's
chip.
just-
It's just the control chip.
Wait, guys, look at
It's
this.
called the control
huge-
panel.
There's so many wires.
Fun fact.
Fun fact, there's actually wires left.
Duh.
Controller. Look. This is the little part of the controller.
Oh, fun fact, there's wires, duh.
Come look.
Guys, look, I'm breaking this wire.
Look. Look at that. Wait, Liam,
Okay,
you
blow the
need.
wire off by
Liam, look at this. Liam, look. It's the controller part.
You're so good at this, bro.
I'm so good at this. And then you just get that and that. You
I need
know,
this.
you mash it together. Wait, you mash this together, and you get technology.
Okay, guys, just
We have to clean all this
Guys,
up.
we have to clean this.
Ah, it's hot.
What is? What's
Feel
on?
that? It's hot. Something exploded or something.
Yep, it's hot, guys. It's hot.
A wire? No. This thing could explode, so we need to blow it up before it decides to explode.
Guys, I found pieces all
We could use this.
All right, let me see this. Now we're gonna do our drone.
Now the real drone.
Wait, now what y'all have been waiting for. Wait, we need to put this on the pile.
Guys, there's a piece all the way back here.
I'm gonna put this on the pile.
Jesus.
Devin, can I see all of it?
Guys, for our
After.
destroying videos, we actually
Liam, help me put this in a pile. Liam, help me put this in a pile.
Guys, look at all this. Okay, time for the real drone.
Wait, all right. So now that we have all this in a pile, this is our controller. Everybody.
Can I do one part of the drone? Because
No.
I really wanted to use my secret weapon.
No, I'm sorry.
Yes.
No, because I want to unscrew it. Like,
What is my
legit.
channel, please?
I want to unscrew it legit though.
My channel.
No, but then don't record it.
Will you let me do one part?
No, I'm sorry.
Declan. Fine, you just put this into the thing.
No.
This big nail, guys. Look at this. This is just a big sharp.
Actually, first we're gonna take off these propellers, fam.
You can do that with
Look
this.
at this.
Fam, I already got. The
Wait,
propellers.
guys, look at this. Just
I'm taking off the propellers of the drone.
Just use this.
No, I already got them off. No, the propellers aren't
guys,
screwed on.
there's pieces literally everywhere. This is our broken pedometer computer chip thing. And then we got this. Yeah, we got all this.
Let's say that.
Declan, no!
YouTube's gonna copyright. YouTube's gonna give you a strike, Declan.
I don't care.
Hashtag strike on.
Guys, wait, I'm just gonna break more. Oops. Kind of got the computer chip stuck.
It's not a computer, Chad.
What the heck
It's a
is it?
motherboard.
It's a motherboard.
Motherboard.
What the heck is a motherboard?
It's the main sensor control panel thing.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I'm breaking through the thing.
Yeah, boring.
Oh, oops, I bent it. I broke it.
It's 9 o'clock.
Guys, look at this. I
No,
broke
it's not.
Yeah, it's 8 o'clock at night. Guys, just look at this. Look what I just did. I just
so
broke a random piece off by accident.
Our next step is actually
Go! This is go. Oh, where
Oh,
did
that
that
just
go?
flew in my eye.
going to be
Where did it
digging
go?
It flew in my
into
eye.
the drone.
There's 2 pieces, but where's the 3rd piece?
One in my eye.
Is it inside of your eye?
It's right here.
y'all ready?
Oh, okay.
It's right here.
All right, this is a
We
very
found all
important
3
part.
pieces of the broken computer.
Where's the
chip.
helicopter?
On
Drone.
the
Right there.
helicopter? You mean drone?
So we're gonna get this.
Yeah, I call it a helicopter. For accidents.
Guys, we need to find more things we can break. Guys, once we're big YouTubers, I think for our 1 million subscribers video, we're gonna do the glue thing. We're gonna make it long. We're gonna do the thing where you freeze like a food or something, like a weird textury food, or like.
Or we can do 100 layers or
video,
something.
or 100 layers or something. Or we're gonna destroy an iPhone. That's literally what we're gonna do, guys.
We're not lying.
Listen, look at that.
We're gonna.
It looks
break
like someone
open
shot
an
it.
iPhone and see what the heck is inside.
Or an
of it.
iPod.
Oh yeah, we should just break
Oh,
an iPhone
shoot.
right now.
It's working.
It's working.
Wait. Oh god. All right, let's.
Did you take the propellers off just in case anything bad happened?
Wait, I'm gonna put it.
Guys, what the heck?
I'm gonna put on a
one
propeller.
propeller back on. One propeller back on. Let's see if this baby works.
And now we just simply.
Tell me if you can see the camera again.
Yeah, I can see.
Wait.
Guys, if this thing works, I'm gonna be amazed.
Alright, let's see.
It's working!
No, it's not.
But what the heck is it? You hear that?
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
It's gonna explode, but I think we should back up. The specialist will explode it.
No, you have to stay.
Guys, let's get ready to go to the emergency room.
Alright, hashtag.
Guys, get ready for the vlog in the emergency room.
First time. Yeah. No, stop.
First time you're on YouTube, okay? Put hashtag first time you're on YouTube on this video.
Oh wait, guys, I forgot. This thing has a lithium-ion battery.
Oops.
Oh, shoot. I don't think that's good.
Okay, let's just back up a little, Declan.
Nah, yeah, we're kids. He's
Yeah.
Yeah, but not as young as
We're
us.
11, we're 8.
I'm the youngest out of all of us.
Yeah.
And I look the oldest, but I'm not.
You just, dude,
Not
on
the
August 26th,
Fun fact.
you turned 8. And on July 12th, I
Want to be
turned
the
8.
cameraman? Because it's my channel. Yes. Don't let it explode. So look, you see where that is? That is, the camera is right here. So just put it right there. Where we.
Whoa. What is this?
It's fizzing.
It's not fizzing. It smells bad.
It smells like smoke, kind of.
You.
Oh, Oh, yeah, it smells bad, guys. That thing smells bad.
Oh, yeah. Different. Okay, face it toward me, actually.
Okay, guys, that actually smells terrible. Reflection. Okay, you can't see the reflection because it's nuts. Guys, I think we should get like flashlights or something.
Why?
Just dark out here. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? That control's already broken. You just hit my foot. Oh, man. Oh, look at, ow. What the heck did you do to my foot?
Nothing.
What the heck?
That was already there. I saw it. I keep seeing it on your foot.
Oh, sensor time. Oh, sensor. Oh, garage sensor.
Okay, let me hold it.
By the way, guys,
you're just showing yours.
We're in my garage. Declan, you're allowed to use our garage for YouTube videos.
But I'm not post. If I post, this is not on your channel.
I know.
Because remember what I said when you did it on that YouTube video that I had to delete it.
You're still allowed to. You're still allowed to use our garage. So.
I'm not using your garage.
Yeah.
Oh shoot!
What the heck? Guys, get back.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, wait. That's messy.
It's flashing.
Stop.
Mess with it.
Oh my.
This is really dumb.
Gavin, what are you doing? Gavin, I don't think you should do that.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't at all.
Oh my god, why'd you leave the battery in there?
I don't know.
Okay, guys. Hashtag first time ER in the comments.
Can it show it?
Yeah, sure.
Does it show it?
This will probably be called drone breaking video or ER. Throwing little pieces of this stuff. Guys, there's like so much of the drone. Guys, look at all the pieces we have just from breaking like a few little things. Look at all it. And this and this. And
Liam, stop talking.
It's a battery.
I feel like you
Guys, it's a battery.
whoa. I don't know why I kept doing that. Why did I keep
Wait,
flashing?
Guys, look, it's a lithium ion battery and a chip. For I don't know what.
Liam, give me that. I need it.
What's this say? It says do not break.
Oh, it doesn't.
It's showing like a do not break symbol. What the heck is inside a lithium ion battery? Here's your answer. We are not what's inside, by the way.
Hi.
We're doing a YouTube video. We're doing a YouTube video.
Shh.
Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy.
I'm a kid.
Look at all these chips.
Look, it's the battery.
Wow.
We found the battery.
Look, this is the
You
drone.
guys should wear goggles when you do that so you don't get little pieces in your eyes. Little splinters in your eyes.
Yep, I will.
Go take a shower, sweetheart.
Wait, I need a...
That's
You're gonna get
what's
in your eyes.
inside a drone controller and a regular drone. So, peace. Bye.